What's up, blockheads and blockhead patrons? In this video, we are deciding who gets the May 2018 Block Box, which is a GoPro Hero 5. Oh yeah. Alright guys, the video y'all have been waiting for. We are announcing who I am giving away this GoPro Hero 5 to for the Block Box, as well as a couple of other items. So the main item being the GoPro Hero 5 Black, and the other items, we have a Bassani koozie here. We also have a couple things inside of the koozie, which I'm never going to get back in. We have a Bassani sticker. We have some Blockhead stickers. We have a Blockhead transfer decal. And then we also have a Get Lowered gift card. And then the random item, we have the mystery box within the Block Box. I'm not going to tell you guys what this is, but it has a lot of sentimental value to me. Whoever basically is chosen to receive the Block Box, they can post up and share if they want. So if you guys are watching this video and you don't know what the Block Box is, basically for Blockhead patrons, I do a giveaway per month. In order to give back to the community, I take the pledges that I receive and I put it into something to be able to give back to somebody, right? And so the first month, it was a Blockhead garage banner, and it did awesome. So because that did so well, I was able to make the main item even better. So this is the second month, and the second month, we're giving away a GoPro Hero 5. Because it has done so well this month, next month, guys, it's going to be even better. And I will have that video up for you guys announcing what that is very shortly as well, possibly tomorrow. The way this works is, if you're a Blockhead patron, Patreon processes the pledges that you do per episode, and then per each dollar that you pledge, basically we give you a range. I have the list right here of all the Blockhead patrons. So flipping it over here, got that list all sorted out. It's a little bit longer this time. Like I said, you guys really dove into this one, and I can't thank you guys enough for the support. It's so awesome to be able to give back to you guys and give back to the community that's shown me so much support. So first and foremost, thank you guys. I greatly appreciate it. So basically the way this works, if you're a Blockhead patron, you're basically automatically entered for me to randomly choose a person to be selected to receive this. Now, as per like disclaimer legalities, it's not a raffle, and you're basically pledging to support the creation of content. You're not entering for like a to win anything right? Legally, right? Legally. Yep. Basically me giving back to the Blockhead community. So what I've done is I've made a list. It's about 3 pages here of all the pledges from you awesome patrons. I just want to thank every single one of you guys that makes this possible. So thank you guys. How many times have I said thank you already? Probably too many. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so here on the list, we have the patron name, we have the amount of entries that that patron has, and then we have their first entry. We have an entry range basically. So the first entry and then the last entry. So like Aaron Cordell, 75 entries. First entry would be 1, last entry would be 75. So we're going to take that list and that range, which goes up to 1643, and I'm going to take my phone and we're going to randomly generate a number in that range, right? And wherever that number lands on, that person will get the Block Box. So minimum would be 1. Maximum is going to be, what did I just say? 1643. So let's change that to 1643. Okay, cool. All right, now, whenever I hit generate, this number here is going to change, and it's going to randomly generate a number in that range. Whatever number that lands on, we'll find it, and that will be the person that receives the May 2018 Block Box. All right, you ready? Here we go. 1439. All right, so that is, where you at? 14. That is Sean Grimm. Is that right? I don't have a ruler or anything in here. Yeah, that'll work. Let's see. 1439 is between 1395 and 1454. Yep. So Sean Grimm, congratulations, man. You receive the GoPro Hero 5. Ding. thank you so much for your contribution. I greatly appreciate it. Thank all of you guys for your contribution. So I'm gonna go ahead and reach out to you, Sean, and in addition to this, I'm also gonna send you a Blockhead t-shirt, which is basically any t-shirt from the shop that you like. Also, in addition, because I just had these made through Moto Minds, if you guys want to grab one of these, you can check out the link below. I'm going to throw in a Blockhead key tag, so I'm going to start throwing those into any and all of the block boxes. There's your Blockhead key tag there for you. So that is basically ready to go. I'm going to put that in the box. I'm going to basically contact you, see what size shirt you wear, which size shirt you want, and I'm also going to confirm your address with you. I'll package all this up and I'll send it your way. Guys, let me tell you, if you guys are interested in this, these prizes are going to get crazy. Like a GoPro Hero 5, whenever I got this and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give away a GoPro, like I felt like, holy crap, that's so cool that I'm able to do that, you know, because of you guys. It's all because of you guys. So I feel that it's really cool to be able to give away a GoPro, right? The amount of support that you guys have shown, I'm gonna be able to give away something even better next month, right? And depending on how that goes, but based on growth projections and all that stuff, if it continues to go the way it has, which is really good, we're going to be giving away some crazy stuff, guys. So stick with me here. If you guys are interested in participating, interested in being involved in this, be sure to go check out the Patreon, sign up to become a Blockhead patron, patreon.com/blockheadmoto. And I'll post a link down in the description kind of explaining how the whole thing works. But I mean, that's pretty much it. You guys saw me do the drawing. If you need further explanation, feel free to post up in the comments down below and I'll answer to the best of my knowledge. This is only month two, man. Month 2. And it's going crazy. So can't thank you guys enough, man. I'm really excited to show y'all what is coming up for the June 2018 Block Box, which will be in the video, like I said, more than likely tomorrow. Once again, Sean, congratulations, sir. Thank you again. Thank all you patrons for your contributions. And hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant, and I'll catch y'all later. Deuces.